This is Chris Smith with Remax Acclaim Properties. Welcome to Matthews Mansion. It is said, a creative piece of work reveals the character of its maker. Just northeast of Ellettsville, Indiana, is such a creative piece, a remarkably complete French Second Empire mansion from 1879. Welcome to Greymount. Resting in a slight knoll with a stream beside it on its way to Jack's Defeat Creek, this was the dream of John Matthews, father of the Indiana limestone industry. A symbol of rugged pioneer spirit, his stout independence, and his faith in the future of his product. To know the house is to become well acquainted with the man. Family legend says Charles Garnier, architect of the Paris Opera House, designed the mansion. This is just one of many legends surrounding Matthews Mansion. The original front entrance has 5 wide openings, creating a beautiful arcade. From either end of this arcade rise side stone steps with carved balustrades leading to a terrace with an ornamental iron railing. This terrace is 45 feet long and made of just three huge limestone slabs. Holding up this terrace and this beautiful home are 22-inch thick solid limestone walls. Over the front entrance is a balcony adorned with the carved heads of 4 of John and Mary Ann's children, 2 boys and 2 girls, almost photogenic in detail. Each side of the second floor has 4 high arched windows. A bullseye window in the tower atop the flat roof complements a mansard roof of hexagonal slate tiles surmounted by a cast iron fence, which complements the French Second Empire style. The center halls are 10 feet wide and 40 feet long, with 2 large rooms on either side. The ceilings are 12 feet high. The beams are hand-hewn oak. The main floor now hosts the kitchen, dining room, living room, and a guest bedroom. Originally, the front door and transom windows had beautifully engraved glass and stained glass of red and blue. Over the 30 years the house sat vacant, many of these were taken or broken, but they've all been replaced. Over the front door, you can see a beautiful red glass in the transom window. There's etched glass throughout the main floor, but 2 originals remain. These blue glass windows, I believe, capture the spirit of the home. 24 steps to the second level of this home brings you to 2 additional bedrooms, a guest bath, and a primary suite appropriate for the stature of this home. This lovely sitting room in the lower level used to be the kitchen, complemented by the dining room, servants' quarters, and wine cellar. For modern convenience, the kitchen has been moved up. Now it's a sitting room, workout area, and utility area, but one original component remained. That's the wine cellar, but with a modern flair. How cool is this? This would make an amazing wine cellar, but I think it would make an even better whiskey bar. Leading from the lower level to the main floor, you have this beautiful set of limestone stairs, worn down by 150 years of footsteps. Greymount, originally known as Matthews Mansion, has had the exterior properly preserved to last another 150 years. Lucky for you, the interior has been updated for the 21st century. Information for this video was taken from the archives of the owners of Matthews Mansion, with many credits, but specifically to Mary Hope Matthews for extensive research, and with text taken from the articles written in the Ellettsville Journal.